Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Logitech G305 not connecting. So make sure you have the dongle and basically plug this to your computer. So if you don't have the dongle and you're trying to connect with Bluetooth or other type of connection, you probably won't be able to do that because this mouse doesn't have any Bluetooth module. Okay, now for the battery, what we need to do is just put the battery like that. So the minus should be on the inside and plus should be on the mouse outside. And as you can see, that perfectly works fine for me right now. Okay, if that doesn't work for you, what you need to do is just take a little bit of aluminum foil. Okay, just put it inside, make sure it touches the contacts properly. Okay, and now what you need to do is just put it like that and make sure this part of the battery, the plus, is touching right here, this little metal, and there's a contact, because if that doesn't touch, the mouse doesn't work. Okay, and now just put this compartment back again, make sure the mouse is turned on, and put this dongle into your device, and this should work properly. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.